కొంచెం లోన్ వెళ్ళండి. ఓకే 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 सामने आ जाते थोड़ा थोड़ा हटो तो आप इधर थोड़ा पीछे 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 side please side please
So I would have larger
पीछे देखो అన్న ఒక్క స్టెప్ మీరు
Triple R movie I've seen. That opening sequence is one of the best opening sequences ever. And the way you come out of that entire crowd, the same way I feel when police hit me was when I stood in the queue for Indra movie. Yeah, I did not get the tickets. Yeah, I did not get the tickets, but I got super beating. Okay. And I also said I use Apollo Pharmacy just in case I'm letting you know. Please tell Upazna madam that only Apollo I order for medicine, okay? But anyway, let me continue. I think we'll be here for some time. Don't you think every horror movie of Hollywood has the same storyline? They'll have a family, they'll have a kid, they go and sit in some god-forsaken bungalow. Why? In that bungalow, no neighbors, nothing. Real estate is bad, but they want to stay there. And all the ghosts, they first appear to kid. The kid will be the first one to see the ghost. I can call a ghost. And in this kind of movies, I watch all these movies in the theaters. GVK movie, okay. 5 of us performed, only for 2 audience. 5 people for 2 audience, and there's a couple. They did not come for the show. They are the show. We are performing, they were also performing. And next week when we went, Cuba Libre is gone. And we have been going to join us in some time. But before I call them, I'll just tell you like a couple of other incidents. Like I think all of you today when I'm performing here for Skyroot, I had my sister came and hit on my head. Like no, Ronaldo will play. Now my brother. Every second day there is a hidden gem in Jubilee Hills. Somebody will make a reel. There's a hidden gem in Jubilee Hills. You have to go to this coffee shop. There's only people who can have coffee. There are the people who have true black money. I'll also, I think, invite a couple of other performers on stage. Do we have Mayank and comedians we have? This is what I tell to every comedian. And we also have Mayank Parak, who is also a comedian, one of the best comedians we have. And an actor, he actually... No, you don't hit, I know. You are the only gentleman. If at all I want to act, I'll act in your movie only. Okay? You will give me a chance, right? 100%. Okay. Every time I ask a question, they will respond one word per day. Okay? Like for example, how are you? In which field this person is an expert in? Okay? Okay, 1 minute.
6. We have created history.
Of course, we are talking about India, which has become the third country on the earth with a private orbital rocket making to the screens.
But before that, can we have the countdown? Can we do it together, everybody? Let's do the countdown. 10,
9,
8,
7. Actually introducing.
Does he need an introduction? To the stage. So one of the biggest actors
भैया
and also pride, Telugu pride as well. You know, big round of applause for him. And welcoming him onto the stage. Let us welcome Major Power Star.
And now with this, it's time to present a token of love, a token of honor to the mega power star. Everybody give it up for Mr. Ram Charan, come on. And do you see this rocket right here? It's one of the most famous rockets all the way up India. Let us do this. And now with this, I know people would like to hear some words from Sir, Skyroot Board Member, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Greenco Group, and also Ms. Thank you so much for joining us, everybody. Let us all give it up. I request our founders to kindly do the honors by presenting a token of gratitude.
Another board member, everybody, Mr. Bank here. Come on.
Mr. Mayank Raman, Skyroot Board Member, Managing Director, all our board members for joining us and making this a grand success. Everybody, this launch could not have been possible without them. Please give it up for Miss.
Come on, teams.
Go! Go! Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much, everybody, for joining us. A special round of applause for Mr. Ramcharan. Everybody, come on, let's make some noise. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion with your presence. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have so many things lined up for you. This is just the beginning of the celebration of 8th successful anniversary of the Sky Road. The party has just started and celebration is going to be immense after this. And talking about celebration, it is time to celebrate the next achievement and
Okay, everyone. And now with this,
मीडिया है ना अपनी
Mayank sir, the board
अपना
members.
सुनने वाले नहीं मीडिया मीडिया है
So we have a presentation party.
ठंडे ठंडे का थोड़ा पीछे सर प्लीज सर थोड़ा